Hey people, today I'm going to prepare egg chili. For that I'm going to take 5 eggs and I'm going to beat it nicely. So for this I'm going to take half tablespoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to whisk it nicely. So I'm going to add 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil to it. Now I'm adding the eggs. I'm going to move from the end. Make sure that egg pieces should be little small. So our scrambled egg is ready. I have transferred the scrambled egg to the plate. Now I am taking the same pan and I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to it. For this oil I am going to add 10 pieces of garlic which I have chopped into small pieces. Let's fry the garlic for 30 to 40 seconds in a low flame. Now I am adding 4 to 5 green chilies which I have chopped into small, and we should fry that also in oil. Now I am going to take the onion which I have cut into wedges. For this I am going to add the capsicum also which I have cut into wedges. For this I am going to add half tablespoon of salt. Make sure that you add little salt to this because we have added the salt to the scrambled eggs also. For this I am going to add 1 tablespoon of Szechuan paste, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 3 to 4 tablespoons of ketchup. Let us mix it nicely. We should fry nicely in the oil for 30 to 40 seconds. Now I am adding half teaspoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of pepper powder. Mix it well. For this I am going to add little water to this wedges. So the sauce is ready. So for this I am adding the scrambled eggs and mix it well. Now our egg chili is ready to serve. You can taste it with fried rice and you can make it as a side dish also. Let us transfer to a plate and taste it.